the American Anatomy Institute, for the first time, offers a very unique course, ENDOVENOUS Laser for Varicose Veins hands-on workshop in a medical preserved body. This is absolutely new and unique here at the Advent Health Nicholson Center, Orlando, the Magic City. Let me tell you about. First of all, this is a course of 3 full days immersion course. You're gonna have lectures at the beginning and 2 days for practicing the procedures. This is a before and after. You're gonna have the opportunity to perform the procedure for yourself. It means many times in a very well preserved medical body. For the first time, step by step, you're in the ENDOVENOUS laser, exactly the same that you can do in your own setting or clinic. You're gonna get all the confidence in order you to perform for yourself the procedure in the future. You are going to face in this course all the possible complications or pitfalls that you can have during the procedures and how to fix those nightmares. Obviously, at the end of the day, to avoid all the complications, but the most important, you're gonna have all the tools and the skills in order you to do your own procedure in your own setting. The benefit at the end of the day is gonna be absolutely this. Your reputation as a vein doctor is going to be the highest in town, and also your income doctors. So come over here to Orlando Celebration. Don't miss the opportunity to bring up your family to enjoy this wonderful Orlando city and yourself enjoy the anatomy and all the wonderful course. This is an all-inclusive offer. Please, if you are interested, give us a call in order to have an interview to give you more details about the course. And of course, I would like to see you here in Orlando.
Click on the WhatsApp button to schedule a call with Dr. Cabrera to bring you full details.